Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick speed clean and tidy of the bedroom. So we're not going to mess about, we're going to do it maybe in an hour, I'm thinking. We're quite busy, aren't we? Even though a lot of us are stuck at home, we've got things to do other than cleaning. So I thought, let's do a speed clean and let's do it in the bedroom because I don't know about you, but I haven't been sleeping too well. So I want us to create a bit more of a calm and tranquil atmosphere in our bedrooms that will hopefully lend towards getting a good night's sleep. So that's the plan for this morning. If you're new here and you've just stumbled across this video, hello, it's great to meet you. I post new videos every single week and I post videos on the home, DIY, a bit of shopping when we can get out to the shops. I love charity shops and car boot sales, I love fashion, I love a bit of everything. So you'll get all of that here, so do click subscribe if you are new. And if you're returning, hello, it's good to see you. Let me know how your week's doing. Let me know what you've been up to so far. Let me know if you're finding this week another very long week of January. They're dragging, aren't they? Let's face it. Before we get into the speed clean, I've got a couple of new bits to show you because I went online, did a little bit of shopping, and I bought the bedding that I've been obsessing over. So if you follow me over on my home Instagram account, you'll see that I posted this because I really liked the look of it, but I wasn't sure about the fact that it's got this, what's called a seersucker effect, which kind of like ready-made crinkles kind of thing. So this will never be ironed flat. So this is a duvet set that's designed to kind of look a bit waffly. So I wasn't sure if I'd like that or not because I didn't know if it'd ever look right. But then if we're going to embrace the waffle, I feel like this could be a winner because we never have to iron it, worry about it looking creased. And it's going to go straight on the bed, 100% cotton as well, and it came in some really nice colours too. So I went for the pale grey, but it also came in like a charcoal, it came in a really lovely dusky pink, which I thought was beautiful, and it also came in like a beige colour, which I was tempted by. I was sort of torn between the beige and the pale grey. I really like the beige because I'm really liking the earthy tones interior trend at the moment. So leaning towards that a little bit, but I think you can mix grey in with that, can't you? Can you? I think you can. So I might go for some earthy tones and mix them with this. I might try it and see how that turns out. But yeah, really nice from Matalan. So this one is the super king size, which was 45, I think, and I think it is from 35, I think, for a double. But I'll link these down in the description box, and you'll be seeing it on the bed at the end of this video once I've given it a wash. It says, made from combed cotton to give a softer feel, luxurious cotton offers breathability for a good night's sleep. That's what we want, a good night's sleep, yes please. And I popped one more thing into my basket because you get free delivery if you spend over £50, so it would have been rude not to, so this is essentially free. But I got this, it was £6, and it is this washing up tin, just in simple grey, and it's got some compartments in there, and it's also got some drainage, so you can pop in here your sponges or your brushes, and also your washing up liquid bottle, and it'll just keep them really nice and tidy on the kitchen counter, so I thought that was very nice as well. They also have the laundry detergent tins as well. That's the one. So yeah, if you're interested, I'll link those down in the description box below. But let's have a quick sip of the coffee. Let's power ourselves up because we can't faff about now. We've got to be focused and we've got to get this room blitzed in an hour. So let's go. Okay, so I've just run upstairs and I've got very minimal supplies for this speed clean, so we're not faffing around with loads of products, it's going to be quicker this way. So I've got a bottle of warm water and I'm going to add to this a few drops of essential oil, and this means that I can use this literally everywhere and not worry too much about where I'm spraying it. So I'm going to go in with a few drops of lemon essential oil and also some lavender, because with it being in the bedroom I thought that would be nice and relaxing. So I just add a few drops of each of those into the water. This is just a spray bottle that you can get at the garden centre or the pound shops, anything like that. And yeah, they're usually about £1 or £2. And try and get one that makes a nice misting spray if you can, because I find that's easier to clean when it's misted as opposed to when you're spraying out loads of lumpy water. Lumpy water, I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, do that, give it a little shake. and then you'll be good to go. And yeah, nice mist, and smells incredible, and you can use it everywhere. So I'm going to use this for dusting, and you can also spray a little bit on the bedding as well. And then I've also just got dusters and tea towel, which I quite like for cleaning mirrors with, and some what do you call this one? Mirror spray, glass cleaner, that's the one. This one is from Lidl, it's their Cleanology range, but you could use some white vinegar if you prefer, anything like that, just to get the mirrors nice and clean, get those fingerprints off them. Right, I've got to stop waffling, so I haven't got long. Let's get cracking. Next up, I'm going to put this bedding in the washing machine, so I want to make sure that goes on nice and fresh.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the...
And I'm going to go in with a little bit of lavender zoflora as well, which I think will be nice for the bedding.
On someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now.
And if I do a nice quick wash, then that will motivate me to get everything else done in the 45 minutes. Now usually I would strip the bed first and make it, but obviously with the washing on at the moment we can't do that, so I'm going to leave the bed as it is. But the first thing that I'm going to do is remove anything that shouldn't be in the bedroom. So I like to grab a box or a tray or any container that can house everything that needs to be out of the bedroom, whiz around the entire room from the furthest point right the way back to the door, and we're going to put anything in here that doesn't belong in the bedroom and get it out of here.
But you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
okay, a box full of bits and pieces, including clothing tags and rather a lot of water beakers, which I am guilty of. They always seem to pile up, so these are going straight out. I do recommend that you do keep a small waste paper bin or just a small bin in the bedroom if you can. I tuck mine under the bedside table because there's always something that needs to be binned, and it just stops you having rubbish all over the bedroom. Anyway, let's carry on. So next up we're going to tackle any clothes that are lying around. Have you got a clothes mountain in your wardrobe? Have you got a chair drobe, or have you got a floor drobe? We're all guilty of those. I've got an ottoman drobe over here situation. Come and have a look. Here we are, this area of disgrace. So first things first, if you've got any implements, let's get those popped away. I keep all of mine in a basket, but then this happens. So when we're tidying up, let's get all these cables wrapped up and put these away properly. I just fold it in half on itself and then just wrap it round. Have you ever stayed in a hotel where they wrap up the hairdryer in such a way that it is impossible to unwrap it again? That drives me bonkers. Anyway, that's that one. And then the same with the straighteners. I just go in half and then I wrap it around itself and then tuck it in. Like that. But there's a random pair of gloves, so I'm going to remove those. And that's all done. Next up, gather any clothes that you've got from around the room that aren't where they belong and throw them on the bed. Now we can sit down or stand up or however you want to do it, but you're not going to be moving around, chasing around, wasting time. And we're going to get all of this lot folded up and categorised on the bed so that we can pop it all away in its rightful place. Now when I do the folding as well, what I'll do is put the piles of clothes in the direction they're heading. So I've got a pile over there that's heading to the wardrobe, I've got a pile here that's next to the drawers, and I've put the bedding that's going to stay on the bed over there. And that's kind of helping you know which direction things are going, and then we'll be quick to move it on to where it belongs.
You felt your limitations. flood your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
I've also developed a habit of not unpacking bags, which is very bad. So what I'm going to do, most of this stuff doesn't belong in the bedroom, so I'm just going to fish out anything that needs to be put away, spare pair of socks, and I should have done that before probably, never mind. And the rest of this, I'm just going to remove from the bedroom with the other stuff that needs to get out of here. Just have a quick check around and do a quick sweep of these surfaces as well for any miscellaneous items that either need to be popped away or removed from the bedroom. And once all of that is put away, we're going to go around and give everywhere a quick dust. I don't know about you, but my bedroom gets so dusty. I don't know where it comes from. See if you can find any cobwebs while you're going around. And then we can do any surfaces just with our water spray. Because it's just water, you're not going to harm any fabrics. If you need to do something like the top of your clothes rail or hangers, anything like that, anywhere that's got a tiny bit of dust on it, get rid of all of that, no bother. So next up I'm going to clean all the glass, give that a quick spray.
Not a sound sneaking out through your window into the night where we were meant to be, skipping town.
And now it's time to hoover. If you've got a cordless one, I would go for that for a speed clean just because you don't have to faff about plugging it in. It's quicker to get around. And we're just going to do the main surface area. We're not going to go around all the sides and that sort of thing.
Ready or not, this might be our last chance.
Okay, the washing machine is nearly finished. We've nearly had 45 minutes. So I'm going to fold up this bedding. It's going to go back onto the bed and then strip anything that's coming off, ready for the new bedding to go on.
Maybe tonight we could make it count. This is what we waited for. No looking back, we started something.
Ooh, I am sweating. I tell you what, you definitely burn off a few calories when you're doing your cleaning. And we have 4 minutes to spare.
Let go. I'm keeping you close to me. We don't need no sleep. And
I'm going to put this straight into the dry buddy to get this dry as quickly as possible. So we can get this on the bed. I'm so excited.
I know we will be alright, if only for tonight. If only for tonight. Under the sky, we're catching lightning in a bottle.
Okay, the washing is fresh out of the dryer, so let's get it onto the bed. Sorry, I couldn't resist a bit of the YouTube magic. No one wants to see me struggling putting a duvet cover on, but I am delighted with this. I can't wait to go to bed tonight. Let's put the cushions on, see if they look alright. Very nice. And then I'll just finish with a bit of my bedding spray. This one I picked up from TK Maxx. It's Zara Home Oriental Light and it smells divine.
Windows down, feel the summer breeze.
There we go, I really hope you enjoyed this speed clean and tidy the bedroom with me. Let me know if you've got any tips down in the comments below. Give the video a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you would like to see me speed clean some other rooms in the home, and I'll be sure to do those for you. And don't forget to click subscribe for new videos every single week. I'll be back on Sunday morning with a brand new video. I'm going to do a vlog and I'll incorporate lots of different things in that. I'm thinking a bit of everything. We'll have some variety in that video, so stay tuned for that one. Don't forget you can always catch me over on Instagram. It's Mr. Carrington or Mr. Carrington Home. I'd love to see you over there for a chat as well. And if you tuned into this video to get the motivation to clean your bedroom, then what are you waiting for? Get up and get cracking. It's time for you to get started now. Have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.